Learn to run salon promotions directly from your online salon booking flow and attract new clients using the TimeTailor Salon software with built-in marketing features. So, in order to use this salon marketing tool, we're going to start on our TimeTailor dashboard and we're going to click on Marketing. Inside our Marketing tab, we're going to click on Promotions. At the moment, we have no running promotions, so let's add a new one and make sure that it's set to On so that it can start automatically once it's been created. Now we're going to give it a name. Let's say we're going to do a spring promo and a description, which is optional. Let's say 25% discount on selected services. Now, regarding the discount, it can either be a percentage or a fixed amount. I went for percentage, so let's put 25%. We should also give it a validity period. It can just start running immediately and you can turn it off whenever you want, but I'm going to give it a fixed validity until the 19th. Now we're going to click on Next. We have to configure what services this promo applies to. So if we go on Edit, we can either select all, like it's pre-selected here, or go by categories. Let's say we only want it for pedicure, so we are going to turn all of these off. We can also choose certain services inside the category. So let's say this will be available for just gel manicure with nail art, which is an add-on, and gel pedicure. Now that we configured this, let's click on Save. We should also decide how this will be applied, either automatically when the conditions are met or using a promo code at checkout. I want to use a promo code, let's say Spring25, that clients will have to use at checkout. Then we're going to go on Next. Here we can choose options about timing. The promotion can apply if the appointment date is between certain dates. Let's say the 5th and the 19th of April, which matches our promotion period. We can also set a specific day of the week or a certain time frame. Regarding usage, we can choose different options. Available only for first-time clients, usable once per client, or not able to be combined with other discounts. I'm going to choose cannot be combined with other discounts. Let's also set the booking channel to online only and add a minimum cart value of $30. Now we're going to click on Save. This is our promo, which is currently running. You can see it's on. If we click on the three dots, we can edit it and return to this menu. You can also see all details and conditions here. Let's say I turn it off. You can see it's off, and then turn it on again. The selected time frame remains the same. Now let's preview it in our booking link. We go to Preview and Share, then open the Preview menu. Here we can see how the menu looks to your clients. Let's say we go to Manicure and choose a gel manicure with Amy. We also want nail art, so we add the service, then we continue and select a date, say the 6th at 11. Finally, on the payments page, if we click on this button and enter Spring25, we should see our promotion applied. As you can see from a $50 subtotal, we get a $12 discount, resulting in a final price of $37.50. Now you know how to quickly set up online promotions for your salon with the TimeTailor Salon Marketing software. And if you're new, sign up to get your first client booking today.